This creamy coconut pudding has just 3 ingredients, no dairy, no gelatin, takes minutes to make and tastes absolutely indulgent. Let me show you how ridiculously easy it is. All you need is coconut milk, sweetener of your choice, and corn flour. That's it. Right, let's get cooking. Coconut milk, full fat, this is important. It's dessert after all. 2 cans. Now the sweetener. You can use sugar, maple syrup, date paste, but today I'm using xylitol because my daughter has braces and xylitol is teeth-friendly. 5 tablespoons. And 5 leveled tablespoons of corn flour. Mix very well so there are no lumps. On medium to low heat, bring to a gentle boil, constantly stirring, and this is important, otherwise you will end up with lumps. Let the pudding bubble for 2 minutes and remove from the heat. Cool down a bit, stirring occasionally, then divide into glasses or ramekins. Cover with cling film so the puddings don't get that film or skin on top. Chill for at least 3 hours. I like to serve these puddings with passion fruit. The tartness of passion fruit with that creamy and sweet coconut, just perfect. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more recipes like this, and as usual, I'll see you in the next one.